play forever. So if you, I'll see you guys then. And also, I went to school today, and I just want to shout out that I am not in the videos at all, or anything. So this is gonna be a family gaming channel. And so hope you guys enjoy. Bye.